Hey guys, welcome to this lecture. This is our lecture 2 on operating systems. In our first lecture, we talked about the various types of operating systems. We defined them and we gave some examples. Now, in this lecture, we are going to look on the functions of the operating systems. Operating systems has very many functions in a computer or in any device where an operating system is applicable. So let's look at some of the functions of the operating system. Some examples of the functions of operating system include memory management, processor management, device management, file management, security, control of system performance, job accounting, error detecting, coordination between other software and users. So in memory management, we will talk about the main memory and other memory. So in memory management, what does the operating system do to achieve the function of memory management? One, let's start by defining what memory management is. So memory management is the management of primary memory or main memory. So under memory management, we have the primary memory and the main memory. So what is a main memory? Let's define a main memory. So a main memory is a large array of words or bytes. A large array of words or bytes. So it can be either words or it can be bytes, whereby a word or a byte has its own address. So in the main memory, each word or byte should have its own address. So what is the importance of the main memory in a computer? So the main memory is important because it provides a fast storage that can be accessed directly by the CPU. The importance of the main memory is that it can be directly linked to the CPU to produce out results. So it is the main memory that we use to execute programs. We use the main memory to execute programs because it is directly linked to the CPU or the control power unit. So after looking at the memory management, we have to look on how does the operating system manage the function of memory management. Let's look at some of the activities for memory management. Number one, under memory management, the operating system keeps track of primary memory, which means part of it are in use by whom. It ensures that what memory is in use by whom and what part is not in use. So it keeps records of all the activities taking place. In a multi-programming environment, the operating system decides which process will get memory, when and how. So here we can use the FIFO, first in, first out category. So it is the function of the operating system to decide which part of the program will get access to the memory first. Another activity on which the operating system does the memory management activity is that it allocates the memory when the processor requests it to do so. So when the processor requests the operating system to allocate memory, it quickly responds to give memory so that for the next program to be executed. And the last one, once it has allocated memory for the process when it is requested, it is still the function of the operating system to deallocate the memory that it has